Simplify 2x to the fourth, y to the negative 4, z to the negative third, all over 3x squared, y to the negative third, z to the fourth. All right, big fraction bar. Whenever you see positive and negative exponents in fraction bars, the first thing you're going to think is, all right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Which of them move and which of them stay? Things that have an invisible 1 exponent or a positive exponent stays. Things that have a negative exponent moves to the other side of the fraction bar and becomes positive. So 2 stays. X to the fourth stays. Those are both positive exponents. Okay? Y to the negative fourth is going to move to the denominator and become y to the positive fourth. Z to the negative third is going to move to the denominator and become z to the positive third. Our numerator is completely done. Now let's go down here. 3 stays. X squared stays. Y to the negative third is going to move to the numerator and become y to the positive third. Z to the fourth is going to also move. Oh no, z to the fourth is going to stay. Oh, silly me. So let's do this. Let's regroup things where things are kind of aligned nicely. Okay, I'll put the 2 over here. I'll put the 3 down there. I'll put the x to the fourth right here. I'll put the x squared directly underneath it. I'll put the y to the third right here. I'll put the y to the fourth directly underneath that. And then we have z to the third, z to the fourth. That step, not necessary, but what it does is it cleans things up. Now we are going to simplify the best that we can. 2 over 3 is 2 over 3. There's nothing that you can do there. When you're dividing terms of the same base, you figure out which one's more powerful, leave the letter there, and then subtract the exponents. So x to the fourth over x squared has x to the fourth more powerful in the numerator. Leave x up there. 4 minus 2 is 2, x squared in the numerator. I have y to the third over y to the fourth. Y to the fourth is more powerful. Leave it in the denominator. 4 minus 3 is 1. I'll clean that up in a little bit. Now when they're next to each other, when multiplying terms of the same base, all you have to do is just add the exponents. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So z to the 7th power. So cleaning this up just a little bit, I have 2x squared in the numerator, 3y to the invisible 1, z to the 7th in the denominator. Fun stuff.